This is awkward.
Okay, I'm in up chat.
I was going to.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hey,
Bro, where are you?
guys, but my friend wanted me to join some
Okay.
animal company, so I was like, okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
And
I'm gonna go. Why'd you reset it?
new update alert. Oh my god. So
They
I
added
stopped working on it for
zombies.
like a couple seconds. So I guess we're posting an animal company video too.
Attack,
So,
actually.
Wait,
We should call it. We should call this video the Animal Company Apocalypse. And then we should do a little role play
hold up.
on it. Whoa! I just juked him so bad right there. Ankles broken. Family nominated. House bombed, bro. Literally. Oh, they're dead. Is there not some over here?
What?
It's
I don't think Bro's okay.
hello?
Hi.
Hello? Oh, my
Oh,
thing
why is
lagged.
it still
My
going?
thing lagged. My thing literally lagged.
It's still going. I don't know why. Hold
Okay,
up.
this is. I don't think they want to stop the apocalypse. That's my guess. I don't know if I can say that.
Oh,
Oh, never mind. I'll revive it. I know.
I'm gonna die, bro.
No, I got you. Oh, they're getting so juked so. Oh, I just killed two. I killed two at a time, bro. That's
Oh, God.
crazy.
This is wave one. Bro, you have to help me, bro.
That's huge. Oh, these zombies are easy pickings. Behind you. Oh, there. Oh, that one's big. It's ugly.
Easy takedown.
Got him. That's all right. Where's the other ones?
Wait, is this a...
What? Is there more?
Oh, I just got...
Oh, shoot! Oh, I want to mind my boundary. Oh, shoot.
I just got full health. Because I got a MRE.
Okay, but these sticks actually help me, even though they're trash.
Wait.
Literally trash. Like, they're sticks. I mean, at least they're from Mother Nature, but they're still trash. You know? You know what I
Get
mean?
him.
Dead. Oh, wait, not dead yet. Yo, did it just break my... You broke my stick. You broke my stick. Okay, no, I got this. Help! There's so many of them, bro. I didn't know they can break. I mean, of course they can. Why? Why wouldn't they break? No, my other... I
I want to die.
Come on, we have to finish this apocalypse. Oh wait, I'm ready. I'm already ready. Wait, you can break these?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's not. Oh, I see you. Oh. No! Dang! They take a lot of health. You know you're on your...
I died. Alright, I think we should end.
Reset. Okay. Wait, what? Wait.
It stopped. Thank God.
Okay. I still have these just in case.
That was crazy. Joe, look how many
Yeah,
crates
I
there
have
are.
these just. I have these just in case. Wait, hold on. Do you just break those?
Yeah, press B. While holding it.
Wait. Oh, okay. Is there supposed to be things in here? Ooh. Is this ammo? Really? Wait, they're shotguns! Those are not shotguns,
they're
those are sticks. Okay, but they're sticks. Where are some of the shotguns? Oh yeah, I guess it's kind of rare to get shotguns apparently.
What is this?
What is that? Hey, I did it. I caught dibs.
What is this?
I called dibs on it.
No.
I called dibs. Give me.
I think we have
I'm
to sell it. I
oh,
think
no,
we
I'm
have to
kidding.
sell it.
Oh, bro. Oh yeah, sell that. That's probably good. Ooh, what does that give you? What does that give you? What do you think that gives you? What do you think that gives you? What's that give?
I don't even know we're supposed
That
to
gave you
sell that.
13.
Oh. Whatever. Alright.
Hold up. Wait, don't start. Wait. Just wait.
You're probably wondering where my friend is right now. He's actually on my back. And I have a saddle. Ow, you're hitting me.
I'm not. It's because you're turning around.
So. Oh God.
I don't trust you with this. Wait.
Yeah, we can get mine, ores. Get mine ores.
Okay.
What
Did
just
yours
happened?
die? I don't know. But what the frick? Come on, I got you. No, shoot. Okay. Are you trying to fly back to your body? Really?
I can't actually
I got
revive
you.
if I do that.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, now grab onto my back again. I don't know why that happened.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I
So
killed
low
you.
in health.
I think I killed you. You're gonna tag me. Oh wait, are we both tag? Oh
Yeah,
never
we're
mind.
both
Wait.
tagged. I think it's like a glitch.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh no, I don't want to hit you. Okay, I'm not hitting you. Okay. Oh no. Are you okay? How?
Can you like
How? I'm not even.
your
Yeah, do I have to put it on my back?
yeah, just put it on your back.
Is it on my back?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me grab one. What if I don't put it away? Did you just die?
Yeah, you keep on killing me.
What is happening? Okay, you know, fine.
Please don't
But-
break this horse.
Fine, I won't kill you this time. Okay. Oh no, wait. It's on my back. Okay. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I don't even know what's up. I don't even know what's happening,
Grab on,
bro.
grab on.
Wait. Where's that to do this? Wait. Okay, I'll put it in. Yeah, I know. Okay, let me grab on. Wait. Okay, it's on. I'm on. I really need more coins and stuff, so I thought. And then if I get caught down, so you're gonna have to come get me.
You're only on my back so you don't die. Because no offense,
I'm not
but,
gonna
like,
die.
after we go into like lava, after we went into like lava last video, so
No.
and then I died because of an anglerfish.
We tried swimming in lava.
That was all you.
No, that was you. You're the one who started to swim in lava.
I
Yeah.
Let's go this way, even though it's probably the closest way to right there.
It's probably the most dangerous place ever. Oh my god. Bro, why are you getting all of the stuff when you're the cheerleader?
There's like a really low chance of getting anything from these.
Oh. Well, you're getting, like, what do you get from anything else? Like what things give you? Like gold? Yeah, gold gives you coins. Or screws, right? Can I just let go?
No, if you let go, you're practically gonna die.
I'm not gonna die, I'm not that stupid. I'm not that stupid though. Do not underestimate the power of
Are you still with me? Where'd it go? Didn't listen one bit.
I let go.
Did you now?
Yep.
Hitch a ride on my back.
I don't want to take a ride on your back.
Yes, you do.
Hey, did you just hit me?
Yep. Because you won't.
Okay, you did it on purpose. No, you did it on purpose. Yeah, of course you did. You're a devil.
I'm not a devil. You're a devil.
Yes, you are. Oh, what is that? No.
Oh yeah, you saw a spider, didn't you?
I didn't see a spider. I see a box with testicles sticking out.
That's a spider.
Oh, okay. Well, it's standing still. So what do I do?
It's probably gonna kill you. You should ride on my back.
Oh, I'm literally right here though. I'm good. Oh my god, this is why I need a backpack. I can't even. I'm not trash. Oh heck no. No, I'm coming with you. Yeah, I'm running on your back. I'm running. What the frick is that? I'm grabbing it.
Grab on my back and I'm gonna kill it.
Okay.
You on? Oh.
I have this. What does this do?
What? Oh. Don't punch me with that. I'm at very low health.
Oh, sorry.
Can you put away your crowbar?
Oh yeah. Okay, it's out. Oh.
Can you let go of that too?
No, but I like it.
I can take it with me. Here.
Nope. I want to kill a spider.
Alright, do as you wish.
I'm strong. Look at my loot right now. What are you? Hiya!
Don't break that. That makes you go back to the beginning.
I go what?
That makes you go back to the beginning.
Oh, okay.
Pretty sure this is the way to the underworld.
Underworld? What? Oh, I see this way.
You don't even know about the underworld.
Oh yeah, I like this a lot. I have 100 coins, and I don't know how many screws. Hold up. I have 2 mining tools right now. Bro.
Where are you? Oh. Yeah, we should probably go back.
Oh yeah, most likely.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here. Hold up.
This. Always money. I want to get this gold real quick.
That gold is hard to get. You're right next to a spider. I literally just said I saw a box that is just sticking out of it, and you said that's a spider.
I thought you said like some movie.
Oh. Nope, it's in a box. And there's tentacles sticking is it? Wait, that's my goal. That's my goal.
Oh, okay.
I'm just not good at this because of this. Hey, did you just hit me? Oh. There's like not a good chance of getting you know, coins maybe.
I'm like posting 2 times a day at this point.
I'm so unlucky. Okay.
I want to try
maybe I
to
just
get
have-
the other video as
Oh my
out as fast
God.
as possible. I don't know if I can.
No, it's mine.
I don't think there's a spider in here. Usually there is.
Oh my god, this is so stupid. Maybe we just keep hunting and then we'll find one.
I don't think so. This is definitely way to the underworld. Where'd he go?
I am in your veins.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Wait, do I have 2 things on my back right now?
No, just one.
Oh, that means I dropped the sword. Oh, sorry.
Alright, let's go.
Where are you? Oh, I see it.
I don't know where you were originally. And that kind of worries me. Oh. Never mind. It's a long way up.
Okay, bro, I cannot get up there. Maybe, or, yeah, I can. Okay. Wait. I might be able to get up here. Oh, that's not grabbing me, is it?
You need to grab onto the rope. So you gotta let go.
Oh yeah, let me just,
I can probably-
yeah.
You're
Oh, heck no, what was that?
Oh, that was a fish.
A what?
Here. You can climb up now.
Hold on. Let me do this. Okay, wait. They did not make the ropes very grabbable. Or maybe I'm just not pressing the right
This
button. Yep. Am I going too much up?
I think so.
Oh, shoot. Oh.
I just
Okay,
found
I'm here.
something good.
Fix their game, because why is the grip button not to grip onto the rope?
Oh, Jesus.
Let's see what it's like.
Can you come here immediately? Where are you?
I'm at the bottom.
Can you climb up?
I'm doing it right now.
There's a spider in there.
Oh, okay. Spider down. Nope, we're not doing that.
Spidey. Waiting for it to come back.
Ooh, I see a lot of food right there. Let's go.
see the big green cube with tentacles?
Yeah.
If you do,
Bro.
break it.
I'm right here. I'm literally right here.
Find one with tentacles.
Tentacles. No, I see like a big green monster I can walk.
The spider's gonna spawn at any moment.
Where?
Alright, I wanna end the video here because my head's just gonna die, so.
Wait.
Thank you for so much for being good. I've been. Yeah.
Wait, did I just? Whoa! Whoa! It's there! It's there! It's there! It's there!
Here.
What is that? What is that? I'm killing it! Kill it! Die! What is that? What the frick? I died.
Yep.